Joe, we found this boardwalk thing to some cypress trees. I think
pretty cool.
I think they're cypress.
Yeah, they're cypress.
But those little things, those little nubs, grow into these huge trees.
Yeah.
They're so tall.
Look on the other side of you. Over here. Right here, look. Like, look at the trunks of those things first.
They're huge.
Massive.
I would love to have like a table made out of the trunk.
Yeah. Like end tables or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be pretty
That
cool.
way it still has like that trunk shape.
Yeah.
But like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let us know if you like the little adventure clips. There's a little elf house down there.
Yeah. That's pretty wild.
I want to see if I can see up in it.
Be careful. You don't know what kind of
Critters are in there. It is too. It's hollow.